In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Webflow. If you've been working on a fantastic website in Webflow and it's time to move your project elsewhere, or just keep a backup, exporting your project codes is a crucial step. Let's dive in and go through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to Google and type in Webflow. Once you've found the official site, you'll notice a button that says Log in, Sign Up. Give that a click. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If you're new to Webflow, no worries, you'll need to sign up. Follow the straightforward prompts to get set up or logged in. Now that you're logged into your Webflow account, take a moment to find and select the specific website from which you want to export your project codes. This part is intuitive. Just navigate through your dashboard until you see the project list and pick the right one. With your project open, head towards the upper left corner of your screen. You should see the Webflow logo right there. Clicking on it will open a menu. Alternatively, you can streamline this by using the keyboard shortcut Shift+E. In this menu, look for an option called Code Export and select it. This is your gateway to exporting your project's code. A key point to note here is that this feature may not be available if you're on a free plan. Webflow restricts code exporting to its paid plans, so you'll need to upgrade if you haven't done so yet. However, if you're on a paid plan, you'll see a button labeled Prepare Zip-E. Click on that button, and your website's code will start downloading as a zip file. This is the magic button that packs all your hard work into a downloadable format. Once the download is complete, navigate to where your browser usually saves files. You'll find the zip file there. The next step is unzipping this file. Unzipping will reveal all the important bits: your website's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. These individual files are what make your website function as it does, and are now neatly organized and ready for use in other environments. And there you have it. Unzipping this file means you now have access to your website's innermost workings, ready to be moved, modified, or safely stored. Exporting your code from Webflow is straightforward once you've gone through these steps. Keep practicing, and soon, exporting code will be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy Webflow exporting.